Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So Nykaa and Myntra were on sale and this video is all about the Nykaa Myntra sale haul because there is so much skincare and mostly makeup products that I bought and I have two boxes full of products to show you right here. There's some amazing products that I bought, some skincare that I've been wanting to get my hands on, some refills, some of my holy grails. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and a snack and sit tight. So guys, the first product that I bought is something that I've been actually wanting to get my hands on for a very long time. This is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel. Now you know that this has been compared to the Clinique 72 Hour Surge Moisturizer so much and people say that it's a dupe for the Clinique one, and if you've been subscribed to me for a long time you would know that I love the Clinique moisturizer. It is my holy grail and it's almost due for restocking, but I thought why not go ahead and give this one right here a try. Now this has a tall claim to fulfill, that is of being a dupe to the Clinique one, because I've been using Clinique for a long time and I've been loving it simply because the hydration it gives to a combination or oily skin is just spot on. And I have been loving the luxurious and the well-performing moisturizer that Clinique is. So if this one right here is a dupe, then I certainly am going to be blown away. So this one was up first because it was much awaited and this goes on my list. I'm going to try it out and let you know how this works out for me. The next product that I was looking forward to having in my skincare regime was this one right here from Klairs. This is the Klairs Vitamin C Drops. Now, if you would know my skincare routine, if you must have seen, if you haven't seen it, I will link it right above here. Do check it out. I have some very affordable products in my skincare. Now, I was using the Cipla Vitamin C for a very long time. I actually used up 2 bottles of that and I was really liking it. But I had heard great comments about this one right here. This is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin C Drops. So I wanted to see how this works on my skin and I thought why not give this a go. So I'm going to try this as well and give you a review how this works out for me. Moving on, you would know if you've seen my skincare routine video again that I love the Cara wipes, so I plan to restock on these. These are neem and tea tree oil wipes, and if you are someone who uses makeup quite a bit, then go in for these wipes. Just pull a wipe out and it's going to do wonders to your skin. It's going to make you feel fresh and it's going to clean your face entirely. And this one right here I've been using almost, this is the 5th or the 6th pack and absolutely loving these. Great wipes to use. The other skincare product that I restocked was my Biotique Cucumber Toner. Again, something that I recommended very highly in my morning skincare routine. Now, this is a toner for normal to oily skin. My skin is combination and this works wonders for me. I think I can recommend this for a dry skin as well because this toner, you guys, this is my 3rd bottle and it's a beautiful toner to have. Even after washing your face, when you still have some clogged pores, this one right here is going to clean it all out. So restocking this back in my skincare. The other product that I love in my skincare are the face masks and I'm currently loving these Face Shop ones. These are beautiful masks and they are so hydrating. This one right here, I bought 2 actually and both are aloe vera. I've used the avocado one, the pomegranate and the green tea one, I think. And all of those were absolutely stunning as well. But I somehow tend to reach out to the aloe vera face mask a lot more. In general, I feel aloe vera does great for your skin. So I feel they are hydrating, moisturizing, and also they will just, add some goodness to your skin. So I'll restock these back. That's it for skincare. Now moving into a lot of makeup that I bought, I'm going to start with the nail paints. I think I went a little berserk with the nail paints looking at my package. I received these in the mail today and I'm wearing this one right here. This is from Colorbar, a beautiful matte color. This is Boss Baby and love this color. Look how stunning this color looks. Couldn't wait to get it on my nails. So I just went ahead and applied that right away. I actually bought 3 more colors. I don't know why I went so crazy with nail paints, but don't worry girl, we're going to use all of them. So the other 3 I have here are from NYKAA. Like you can see, these are NYKAA matte nail colors. This one is the shade Sapphire Dreams. It's a blue color. Then there's a burgundy color called Black Cherry. And then I picked up a nude color, which is Nutcracker Dreams. This is also a beautiful color. Actually, I'd like to try this one on. Then I bought a face sponge. I had heard great comments about this one from Giorgio Professional. It's a makeup sponge and mine was getting spoiled. So I thought, why not replace it and get a new one? And so I thought, let's give this a go. I have actually used the Real Techniques one in the past about a year ago, and I actually loved it. I was planning to restock that, but then I stumbled upon this one and I thought, why not give it a go? Much more affordable actually. This one, the Real Technique one, is around 1000 plus rupees. This one is around 250 bucks. So I wanted to give it a try. The other two things that I bought, which are actually makeup tools, are these two pack brushes right here. I love how they come in a packaging like this. This is the first time I've ordered pack brushes. Now this one right here is actually a pencil brush. This is the pack 208 brush. If you see how pointed the edge is. So this is wonderful for smudging any kind of an eyeliner or eyeshadow underneath in the lower lash line and also in your crease. If you're doing a cut crease, this is going to be really helpful. Then I found this one really interesting. This is their very fluffy blending brush. I have to see how this works because this is extremely fluffy. This is quite a big blending brush. This is basically for your transition colors and bringing the entire eye look together. I think this sets quite well in my eye. It's going to work really well. So this one right here is the 210 from pack. Then I was very intrigued by this thing right here. This is the Buff Master from NYKAA. It's basically a silicone brush cleaner, and I've been looking for one because I clean my brushes like normally, but this one right here, I mean, you can slide your hand in and it's nice and cute, comes in a heart shape, and I think it's going to be quite useful for cleaning the brushes like this. I mean, you just take some soap or some kind of a shampoo on this and you can just scrub your brushes off all the gunk. So looks like quite a useful product, very affordable as well. I think this costed me something around 200 or 250 rupees. Okay, now I'm going to open the MYNTRA pack, and so that was all the stuff from NYKAA. The first thing I was super excited about is this one right here. This is the Makeup Revolution Sophix Palette. I had heard such wonderful things about this palette that I wanted to get my hands on it. And this palette right here, look at the color selection. I mean, I looked at it online and I've been eyeing on this for a while, and this was on sale at MYNTRA and I did not want to leave it at any cost. Let me open this up for you and show you how the palette actually is. So the palette comes in a poly pack like this, and oh my god, this is so luxurious looking. Let's dive into the palette. My good lord, guys, look at the color selection. Oh my goodness, it's a beautiful palette. I think I'm going to have a fun time creating a lot of beautiful warm looks. If you see, there are beautiful this kind of a red color, then there are orangey colors right here, a lot of peaches, a lot of glitter colors, and good brow bone colors as well. And then the good thing is my last Makeup Revolution palette did not come with a name leaflet like this, so I usually like to place it here so that when I'm doing a makeup tutorial I can tell you guys the names of the colors that I'm using. So this is going to come really handy. It has a beautiful mirror, by the way, and looks great. I mean, I'm dying to get into this palette and create some wonderful, beautiful looks. So I'm just for some reason getting attracted to a lot of beautiful eyeshadow palettes. The next one I bought, this one right here. It's a small 4 eyeshadow quad. This one is from Wet n Wild. I'm sure you guys must have heard of these quads. They are really, really popular. And this is this purpley shade quad. This comes with a, it's actually more like a beginner's kit, I think, because it says it has a transition color, it has a brow bone color, a crease color, and an eyelid color. So I think very good for beginners. I picked up for the color selection right here because I wanted to create a very beautiful plum kind of an eye look, and I love the colors in here. So I think this is going to be a wonderful pick as well. The next thing is also an eyeshadow palette. I think again I just go crazy when I'm shopping for makeup, it seems, and I just tend to pick up a lot of stuff. But hey, it was on sale, and let me remind you, I got all of these on great prices. The next eyeshadow palette that I took is this one right here from Makeup Revolution. This is the Reloaded palette, and this is the Iconic Fever palette. It's still sealed. I haven't opened it. I will, but look at the color selection. I love that this one right here has a clear window, so you can see all the colors right here. Now this is a very warm toned palette, comes with a lot of oranges and glitters, and also has some beautiful matte colors. So the next product that I have here, again, I'm so sorry, I just got the package in the mail and I haven't opened these, but this is a retractable brow pencil from Wet n Wild, and I am in the color medium brown. I thought this color will go really well for my skin type. Plus, I don't like very dark brows. So very intrigued by this product. I think it comes with a spoolie and it's extremely popular among a lot of YouTubers. Actually, let me open this for you and show you how this looks. So this is the pencil, the Wet n Wild retractable pencil. On one end is a spoolie to brush your brows. The other end has the retractable pencil. I have swatched the color right here for you, and I think it's going to be perfect for me because I don't like very dark brows. Actually, let me try this on my brows because I have the brows very lightly filled right now. Okay, I'm really liking this because the color payoff is very controlled. It is not just, all over the place, which usually happens with a lot of pencils. But this one right here is very controlled color payoff. Okay, I'm really liking this one right here. I'm going to use in my next tutorial because I love the color and I love how the color is actually going on my brows. Really liking this one. Guys, I can't wait to dive into the Sophix palette. So I wanted to swatch some of the very beautiful colors that you see right here. So we are going to take this golden shade. I think it's absolutely stunning. And then I want to swatch a matte as well. So I'm going to take this right here. Oh God, look at those colors. My goodness. I'm going to have a fun time creating some extremely beautiful looks. Look at that red color. And then I wanted to go in with this very bronzy kind of a shade right here. Let me swatch these for you on my hand. Look at that. What gorgeous pigmentation. This color right here is so pigmented. It's an oxidized kind of a golden color. And look at the matte, guys. I mean, I just took very little, and the way these colors have actually popped out, they are not at all powdery. And of course, we'll have to use on the lids to see the final result, but look at those colors. The color selection in this palette, I must compliment on the color selection because it is a beautiful palette to dive into. There are warm tones, there are cool tones, there's some beautiful browns, and there's some amazing shimmer colors. I mean, no one can go wrong with a palette like this. You can create so many looks. I can think of so many beautiful looks right here just looking at this palette. Okay, then the last thing I bought was the Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. I am so looking forward to use this. This is the 4 quad highlighter palette. I have been eyeing on this one for a very long time because I had heard great reviews about this on YouTube. I'm trying to get the package out so that I can show you and have a sneak peek on the colors because I really can't wait to dive into this highlighter palette. You guys know I love my highlighters so much, and I am all big for very wet looking, very glowy highlighters. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my God, that's a gorgeous highlighter quad. Just look at that, guys. That's so beautiful. I can't wait to actually swatch it. Let me swatch it for you guys here. Okay, look at these highlighters. Now this one right here looks a little chunky to me. We'll have to give it a go and see how it actually shows up on my face. But all these colors, so beautiful. Next video, I'm going in with this palette for sure. I'm actually a bit intrigued, so I want to go ahead and try on this very bronzy shade right here and see how it actually picks up on the face. Okay, that's nice. And what do you think? I think on the other side, let's try this super glittery one. Whoa. Are you seeing this? Are you seeing that glow? Unfortunately, the mirror of my pan is broken. That's too bad and too sad because ideally I would have liked to have a mirror here. Okay, honestly, that shade right here is a bit glittery, but I think it comes out really beautifully on the skin. And this color right here, absolutely loving the very beautiful, I don't know if you can see the beautiful subtle glow that it's giving me. So guys, this is it. These are all the products that I bought from Myntra and Nykaa, and I cannot wait to get into some of these because they look absolutely stunning. If there are any particular looks that you'd like me to do using these products, specifically the eyeshadow palettes, do mention it in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and the like button. Until I see you next, love you all. Bye bye.